back to broke-ass EDC. Man, I got one of the few that old backpack from the knife owl sent over to check out to broaden my horizons. The ArtisanCutlery Weyden front flipper. Blade length 3.23 inches. Closed, it's coming to you at 4.13. So overall, it's just under 7.5, 7.36. Rocking the CPM sand polished harpoon in S90V with a 59 to 61 HRC on that nice flat ground. Got that Damascus shield inlay on the gray milled titanium. Tip upright carry only 3.44 ounces of distinguished laid out. I mean, it's just so clean. Just shows artisan can do it. Milled clip with the milling on the clip to match. Back spacer going the length, no lanyard hole. Frame locking. Dead nut center. Front flipper action. All four fingers rest on it. Lock up is good and solid. That blade is slicey and a fingerprint catcher. It's honestly one to just look at, almost adore. Just enjoy it. Put together so well. It's just clean. It feels good and solid in the hands. The Damascus inlay just really does it. And that harpoon dip on the spine is just the perfect place to lay your thumb. I mean, it just rests so nice. It fits the hand well. These, I think, have been discontinued. There might be some here and there. But they, for the money, for the two bills, I think it was $200. You couldn't have gone wrong. I think it was a black handle, like carbon fiber one also. That was just sick looking with that Damascus inlay. They actually have that, the gold flake carbon fiber with the Damascus inlay and the titanium on the back side. Those are $200. They still have those in stock. So I'll definitely throw, man, that thing is sick looking. I like this one, but man, that gold flake carbon fiber is nasty. What do y'all think? And props to the old knife owl. That's definitely not one I would usually jump into, but I think I like it. Y'all hit that thumbs up button. And yeah, stay sharp. Nice chirp. Stay safe.